Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing what's invisible. That makes fixing spaces precise. First, toggle Show /hide to reveal spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks so you can see the issue. Next, make sure the ruler and navigation pane are visible to inspect indent and paragraph breaks. Save a copy or use version history so you can revert if needed. Once done, you can target only the offending marks instead of guessing, and that reduces accidental format changes later. Now you act. Open find/replace and use codes, P for paragraph, T for tab, and space characters for ordinary gaps, so you replace exactly. Use replace all for double spaces to single spaces, but run replace stepwise when removing paragraph marks to avoid joining paragraphs unexpectedly. If needed, enable wildcards to match patterns and use format to limit replacements to a style, like body text. Make sure to preview changes with Find Next, because that prevents accidental merging of content. Finish by cleaning layout. Reset indents and paragraph spacing using the Layout tab so spacing is consistent across the document. Replace manual clusters of spaces with tab stops or apply paragraph styles to enforce uniformity, because styles persist reliably across edits. Then, scan headers, footers, and section breaks. These often cause unexpected gaps. If something still looks wrong, toggle compatibility mode and check for track changes. Troubleshooting tip. If replacements break formatting, press undo, work in a saved copy, and run targeted replaces instead of global ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.